Hello darlings, so today is a national holiday in Japan. We are celebrating the mountain day in Japan and as a church we decided to celebrate together. So first we met in church, had brunch and then packed up our things and off we went. So we made a quick stop at this supermarket to grab some of the things we are going to need for the camping. We got food and snacks and some things for the kids too. So the check-in time for our lodge was 3 p.m. and we were here before 3 p.m. So we made a quick stop at the beach first, spent time here, played in the water before we left. It's almost 3 p.m. so we left the beach to go check into our lodge. And it was a really rainy day, so we just got here and it's a typical Japanese house, like typical Japanese lodge. So first settled in. So after settling in, we played some games and it was time for dinner, and we had Korean style dinner.
제육볶음 with 쌈장.
And after dinner we took a walk and the whole place was covered with rice field, like we were in a typical countryside. Rice field. After that we came back, we had fellowship and it was game time.
One, two, three, go.
Rabbit can eat. Rabbit food. Rabbit food.
당근.
내가 어떻게 가르쳐줘?
Okay. Delicious fruits. Green.
맛있겠다.
No.
그래.
아니
It's big. Not big, but green. Very delicious. Very sweet.
됐습니다.
Like apple size.
緑예뻐.
누나만 들어가면 안 돼. 뭐라면 다 넣어.
Can I say?
2 minutes.
It's a vegetable. You can. It's a purple color. Vegetable purple color.
커플 커플.
Couple, couple.
Master.
No,
Oh,
that's
okay.
that's right.
자, 두 개 잘 보세요.
It's not English.
1.5.
It's
I don't say the color. No. Okay.
okay.
it's orange color.
이거는 no pass. 아웃도.
Okay.
내려가시
It's a vegetable.
우리 다시.
It has moko.
먹고.
No. 같이 생각하세요. 몇 문제를 기억하세요? 몇 문제인지. 오케이.
It's a fruit. It's fruit round. It's like watermelon, but not watermelon.
메론?
지금 은지겠지? 은지겠잖아. 우리가 1번, 2번 있잖아요.
What's my joystick? joystick? joystick?
I have paint. No, for lint remover from the room. From the dust. Yes.
So the next day we freshened up and got ready for the day's adventure. And this is me being baby. They were literally rubbing sunscreen on my body because why not? When I say my church people take care of me, they really do take care of me. Like they take care of me like a mother would take care of a child. And for this, I am really, really grateful.
Once prosper sad.
It's a video.
We just arrived and this place is called Hasunoma Water Garden. It's in Chiba. And the shocking part of this place is that we had to pay 8,000 yen for a tent. Oh my god. The entrance fee is 1,900 per person. Then some other activities like the water slide and every other thing, you have to pay an additional money for it. But then I think it's worth it. So let's have fun. It was time to go home, and honestly I had a lot of fun. I enjoyed my day thoroughly. It was a very rainy day actually, but then we were already inside the water, so make the rain kuku just beat us. Just left the place, and this is the view of Hasunuma Water Park from outside, and it's really beautiful both inside and outside. Well, we drove through the countryside again, and at a point Fred and I, we were like, what, this place say follow for Japan. Well, we are back to the city, and before going home we decided to stop at Ario's to get ice cream from Baskin and Robin. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video to your friends. I love you. Bye. Mwah.